winner take all. And the wrap, we've got a scramble for front position. We have Livingstone draws for your lead, Peace and Love moving a party outside, surprise call. Then comes entry number 10, the favorite is Strong Boy running by the rail. Is entry number 2, Valentine Rose. As they race towards the last 800, Livingstone is Strong Boy now moving a party outside and grabbing the lead. Peace and Love racing in third, Trixie by the release, Valentine Rose, Boss Pogi, surprise call. Then by the rail is Loretta as they race towards the last 450. Is Strong Boy leading the field by about 7 lengths now. Then running in second on the outside, Peace and Love by the rail, Livingstone. Valentine Rose moving up in between runners. Trixie May comes next. Blue Chic, then on the outside, Loretta and Panamera. With the last 200 meters more to run, we have Strong Boy, the favorite, by about 6 lengths over Peace and Love in second. And finally, Strong Boy, Peace and Love, Blue Chic, Loretta, Valentine Rose for your Pentafecta.
10-8-3.